Bye, baby.
All right, we're at our next stop, the Mall of the Emirates, and we're gonna go check out Ski Dubai. It's an indoor ski slope, which sounds crazy. It's so hot out, but we have to go try. It's on our Go City card.
This mall is huge and beautiful so far. I didn't expect this mall to be like Mall of Dubai Mall, but it is. Look at how many floors.
It's huge. I mean, look at the ceiling. There's 3 floors to it, I think. It's still a giant mall, but not the biggest, like the Mall of Dubai.
But it's pretty big. To me, so far, how much I see so far, it's bigger, probably I would say the same like Minnesota, the biggest mall of America.
I guess I have no idea, but it's really big.
Never side.
Let's go see what we can do at Ski Dubai, baby.
Let's go Ski Dubai.
Well, we found it. This is Ski Dubai. It don't even look like, it looks completely fake. I gotta go in there. Let's go check it out. Baby, where are you?
I'm skiing in Dubai. It's unbelievable today. I sweat all day and look at me now.
Now we got snow under our feet. Oh yeah, it's the ski resort here. We got a chairlift. We got a nice little run. So what?
The one you're gonna go with.
The tubes are over here, baby. You wanna go tubing, baby?
Yeah, I wanna go tubing.
I think we gotta go over here and wait for a tube to come up.
The ski lift also.
I don't think that's the same. You're not on the ski.
Not yet? Okay. Look at this. They have in Australia or New Zealand. We're thinking to do it and we didn't. So we can do it now. But I don't think Ben wants to do it while he wants to go snowboarding. So he went to get the tube. We are going tubing. And after that he's gonna go snowboard. So let's go tubing first. It's not that busy, which is great. But you have to bring your tube up. So here he comes. Ben is coming. We're gonna have a tube for both of us. He's a kid running backwards. There's a stairs here. He couldn't take the stairs, but he's running away. So our go-kart pass, it covers this except the gloves. It's $25 for these gloves, or you can have. They have some free ones, but they don't keep it too hot.
So on a tube for 2. You want to join me?
Let's go. I'm joining you. Hey.
Here we go.
I don't even know where you are.
What'd you think of tubing?
We're going again.
We're tubing in Dubai.
We are.
Oh, no steam.
Yeah. That's so funny. They did the paper, scissors. Who's gonna go first? And he won. He's going first. I'm not gonna ski or snowboard because I don't know. So, but I'm gonna go with the chairlift up. I don't know if after that I can come back here or I have to go all the way outside because Ben is gonna go snowboarding without me. He's gonna have fun in Dubai. Same, baby.
we're gonna go in one of these giant snow globes. I'm gonna go, and then Chris is gonna go.
Chris is not gonna go.
Chris is gonna go.
There you see Ben.
Let's go in the giant door.
Wow, Ben is brave. I would never do that. I would never go on this one. And there he is. Go. Good luck to you. Next time, get more life insurance. He is worse than a kid. So they have different ski slopes. I guess that's the advanced, there's medium, and those will be for beginners. The funny thing here is I don't know which one is gonna be Ben because everybody look the same, except the people from Dubai who got their own clothes. Everybody's got clothes like me. The only difference is he didn't get a helmet. So the only way I can recognize him is by the hat. He's got the black hat. That looks like that. Yes, he just fell on his butt. I catch him.
Baby, we're on a ski lift.
I am up here. I don't know. It's kind of strange because.
Should we jump and bounce? Should we jump and bounce?
Nobody killed you yet? Next time buy more life insurance for me.
Oh, okay. It's actually really cool. It's just one little slope, but it's indoor skiing. I mean, come on now. What do you want in Dubai? It's 100 degrees outside and 40% humidity and a nice chilly 30 degrees Fahrenheit in here.
It's cold, it's pretty chilly. Without the gloves, I wouldn't be able to stay here.
And we're at the top of the hill. Even got a little park with some. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I don't do that stuff. I'm too old for it. Bye, baby. Let's go for a little run down the hill here in Dubai.
Baby!
It's a little hill, but just to say that you skied in Dubai, it's absolutely worth it. Fun, quick ride down the hill. So it is fun to ski here. I mean, it's a unique, different experience. But I'm going up for my third run, and I am over all of these kids here. They have no mountain etiquette. They're stomping on all your shit. They're more interested in doing anything else but trying to get on the lift and skiing, so it's a bit annoying. Somebody needs to come here and teach them some etiquette when you're on the slopes.
I'm starting the terrace now and then. I'm kind of scared of the height. So what should I do? What should I do? I'm still here. We're not moving. I don't know what's wrong. And Ben is not with me because he wants nobody by himself. So yeah. This is no fun. What's fun until now? Now this chair stuff. Thank you. Two ladies told me my hair is nice. I'm having fun by myself right here. My hair is nice. They want my phone number. How much fun can you have in Dubai? Where's Ben? So look at the penguins. That's where the penguins are. I have to wait for Ben. I can go to the penguins, but I'm gonna go later. Look at them. How cute. And they're big.
But in their own language, and it's called vocalization. So when the people are talking, they do this.
All right, we finished up snowboarding and Ski Dubai. That was a bunch of fun. Since we're in the mall, we're really hungry. We went to eat, and what else? Everything here is American corporation, so we went to the Cheesecake Factory. I got the bacon burger, but with beef bacon. Looks really good. I've never had beef bacon before. Really good. And Chris got the mushroom burger. That looks really good. And by the way, it's not cheap. I think Cheesecake Factory in the States is cheaper.
Half price.
I don't know half price, but cheaper. All right, guys, we're going to eat dinner. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.